Hey, Quinn here with Mark, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use our free leaflet maker in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, go ahead and select Start Designing from the Leaflet Maker page, or you can scroll up to the top and select Sign Up Free in the navigation bar anywhere on the site. If you haven't already, this is going to prompt you to create a new free account with Marq. After completing those steps, you'll land on the logged in homepage of Marq, which brings us to step 2. You have a couple options. You can either come up to the top right and select New Project and then Blank Project to start from scratch. Or for this example, we're going to go over here and search for a template. In this case, we're going to search for Leaflet. Make sure that Marq Templates is selected. And just like that, we have a handful of templates that we can choose from. Let's go ahead and choose one that we like. I like this one here. I'm going to double click on it and then select Create Document. We'll give it just a couple seconds to load. And just like that, we have the beginnings of a beautiful leaflet that now we can react to and make changes to. Which brings us to step 3, the fun part, Start Designing. You can make changes, remove, add elements such as text, colors, imagery, and much more. Let me show you quickly what I mean. Let's make this a leaflet for an internet and VoIP service provider. So we're going to come over here and select stock images, and let's get a picture of, let's say, VoIP. Okay, and I like this image here, so I'm going to grab it and I'm going to drag it to my document and hover over the image here, and it's going to replace and then resize that. And we can align it differently here in a second, but I also want to grab an image for, say, something like internet. Maybe something a little bit more conceptual and abstract. Let's grab this here and hover over our image up here and let it replace. Okay, and then I want to update my logo here as well. Now granted, you would have a lot of these images from your own business, but let's go ahead and search for a logo that we can use. And we will grab this guy, and I'm going to double click it because I actually want to insert it into the document. So let's go ahead and remove the logo that's there, and we're going to grab the logo and drag it up and resize it here. And let's get it aligned with our text. That looks good. Now let's update our text here to, we'll say, get 2 months, we'll spell it out, free with initial service. And the black on the blue seems a little difficult to read, so we're actually going to update this to be white. And just like that, in 3 easy steps, you were able to create a beautiful leaflet without much technical design knowledge at all. Go ahead and like and subscribe so that you can stay up on all the latest videos where we show you how to compound these tools to make the most of Marq. For example, collaboration with your teams, creating personalized branded templates where you can lock in components, using dynamically populated fields, and ultimately enabling your brand to do so much more. Thanks.